Hi, to change language of your iPhone 13, we'll need to unlock the phone first, then navigate to the settings, and here simply select the General tab first, and after that, you would see this Language and Region section. So now, in this language section, you just need to tap Add Language, choose any other language from the list. For example, let's choose Ukrainian. You just need to tap it, and now we have two options. We can either simply add it to the keyboard or we can set it as default for the phone at all. And for that, you need to select the first option to use Ukrainian, and now the phone is changing its language, so we are simply waiting. And here is the changes. If you would like to go back to your previous language, you would need to tap on these three lines, hold them and drag this language up. And here press the red button to continue, and now it is setting your previous language, and let's just wait a bit. And here it is. So yeah, that's it how it works. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.